Hi, my name is Annette Pennella, and I'm a first-time landlord. I bought this house last May, and so I'm learning a lot about houses. The birds that were going in the soffits from the trees outside, the little baby birds were falling through, I guess, a little space along the window here. And his drone went up and could see above. And then he went on the side with the drone, and they could see what was happening with the soffits when the birds going in. We could actually see the birds going in and having a party and coming back out. They also went and inspected what it looked like from inside, and on one side I had new plywood and one side not. And so because I had some new plywood, that was good. That would stay and it would cost less. It came out a couple times actually to look at the situation and educate me about what's going on. And it was good to have someone to talk you through it. And then I decided I need new gutters too, because you don't want a new roof without gutters. So we ended up matching up the gutters with the roof. You can see where the siding doesn't quite hit the roof. They took the time to put the black paper back there, so it's all one color. So I really appreciate the details. They paid attention to the details. This house was built in 1910, and so with the older houses and the way they hung the gutters was different back then. But there's a chimney. They had to go up there and take a look at what condition the chimney was up there. There were too many decaying bricks up there, and it was dangerous. So they dealt with that too, so that was very good. They had concrete guys, the experts came, and they worked in the attic for me. So I had experts all around. Yeah, it was really good. Oh yeah, they were good workers, and they worked steady, man. And even the last day, it was starting to rain, and the guy was up there. He was up there still working in the rain. I felt bad for him. And they cleaned up the area, when they were done. So that was all good. It was wonderful. The gutters, the conduits, they came out. There's one gutter over there. They took them out of the conduits on each side of the house. Roofing Rochester did it. They came back and they did that for me. I really, really appreciate that, because then all that water, from the rain on the roof is not going down into the sewer, and there's less problems with the sewer. Great. Yes, I would recommend Roofing Rochester to anybody. In fact, I already have, so yes. You take time with the customer to help them pick out the right colors or the right roof material, and that all mattered to me. So, especially being a new landlord, right? And you want your house to look good, and be strong and secure. So, yeah, I have already recommended.